In this video, we're going to make these end tables. In the next, I'm going to try to be a little bit more original. So this is how the end table started. It's highly functional, but pretty gross. This design was never meant to be long-term, so it was very easy to disassemble. So for this project, I need two identical rectangles. The original end table is composed of two boxes, one larger than the other, so time to disassemble and modify. Because the length and width was identical for both boxes, all I had to do is adjust the height. How I haven't been injured so far is as shocking to me as it's shocking to you. Before you attempt anything like this at home, try taking wood shop. After marking where I'm supposed to drill, I made some quick pocket holes. Now to put it all together with some glue and some pocket screws. Before you let it set, it's a good idea to wipe up any glue. I got these hairpin legs on Amazon for a very reasonable price. Once I had a general idea for my layout, I went and took measurements and screwed them in. And just like that, we're ready to go. There are so many ways to join wood, but pocket holes and glue worked well for me. And it holds my weight. Can't ask for much more. I went with some linseed oil to act as my clear coat. Then I added some scratch guards. And some easy plugs for the pocket holes. And just like that, a pair of end tables. Nothing lasts forever, so make sure you spend your time well. Get out there and build something. I'm the Level 1 Builder. I'll see you around.